Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh everyone. It's Abdul Azim and let's talk about Mahadut Talyib today. Let's talk about its foundation. As I've been given the chance to give a brief introduction about Mahadut Talyib by Mahadut authorities. Mahadut is an Islamic educational institute serving for Muslim community for years. It has gained more fame and faith of Muslims as well as the great Islamic scholars. The great Islamic scholars not only certified it but applauded for its noble activities. The Mahadut was established in the year of 2015 in the memory of Maulana Hakimul Islam Qari Tayyib Sahab, who was a great Islamic scholar and a teacher and a principal at the global great Islamic University, Daru Uloom Deoband, with a noble cause to impart Islamic education to the Muslim minorities. At present, there are 80 students in different fields of institute. They are coaching their education third. The syllabus of Mahadut is made by great Islamic scholars. One of them is Maulana Shahid Sahab, the teacher of great Islamic University, Daru Uloom Deoband. The syllabus is very simple in terms of learning for children as well as adults. The syllabus is based on daily du'as, hadith Nabvis Sharif sallallahu ta'ala wa sallam, and the memorization of Nurani qaidai and juz amma, which is the 30 juz of the glorious Quran. And for higher students, there are knowledge of Islamic history and the social life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to learn in the syllabus. The Quran, the glorious Quran, is taught with great and beautiful accent and pronunciation. Is taught with great fluency. And the founder of this Mahadut is Maulana Shahid Sahab, who is serving the Muslim minorities or the Muslim community for years. May he live long, and may this institute keep on progress. Amin summa amin ya Rabbil Alameen. And if you want to contact Maulana Shahid Sahab, here is his number. His number is 958 222 6151. So that's it for today. If you want me to speak on more topics, more interesting topics, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe it, share it as much as you can, and comment in the comment section below. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Jazakallah khair.